Hello beautiful! Today I'll show you how to do a huge blister on your hand, and hopefully you will use this idea for Halloween too. Alright, so as a first step I create redness on my hand. You will see how cool it will look later on. And to do it I use red cream color and blend it with a fluffy dome brush. Next, I will create fake skin. To tell you the truth, I had to practice quite a few times before it came out well. So listen, the best way to do it is to use liquid latex, and what is the most important is to apply it with your fingers. I have tried sponges, Q-tips, cotton discs, and brushes, but every time something went wrong. So apply a few layers of liquid latex with your fingers and let it dry for around 10 minutes. I move on to one of those dental carving tools which I use to dig a hole in latex. I will use this hole to fill in our blister with some Vaseline. However, I will not use pure Vaseline, but will mix it with a tiny amount of yellow cream color. This way the product will look exactly like the fluid inside the blister. To apply this mixture under the latex is practically impossible unless you have a syringe, and thus this is exactly what I'm going to use today. And this is how we get our blister. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see similar videos to this, press like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want me to say hi to you in my next video, make sure to write your comment below with your video request. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.